Hello everyone. So now I'm going to talk about on how to create a simple maze game. So here, as you can see, we have this maze and we have the obstacles. So if you ever touch the obstacles or the blocks sides, you get the game over. And if not, or if you're lucky enough, you can get to be the winner. So now, let's start by searching the maze or the maze of ourselves. Because here, either you create your own maze or you download it from the image of the Google. Then, after downloading the image, you go to the Scratch website. So after touching the Scratch website, you are going to see here. Then you are going to click the Create One or Create New. So here is the inside of the Scratch. So as you can see here, you have the original avatar or the sprite of the Scratch. But here, you can also change it by clicking the sprite and choosing above all of them. They have the animals, peoples, and etc. But the one that I'm gonna use here is a dog or the so-called running dog. So here you click the sprite and then erase the avatar or the original avatar. And then now you can resize the dog or the avatar that you picked. And now for the next, you go to the backdrop, click it, then go to the background side. But as I told you, you can create your own or find it where you save the image. So after you click the image, you can see now at the background. The next that you're gonna do is enlarge it, then crop the image so that it will be fit to the screen of the player. After that, you're gonna click the sprite or the dog and start for the coding process. So anyone can say it's all start with the green flag, then where you want to put the dog, or I would say the starting point of the game. You will also arrange the X and Y coordinates for it to be stay there when you click the green flag. Now, you're going to set the forever loop and also the if loop. next one is you're going to go to the sensing and put the key pressed, the point of directions and the move. Then you change the space by an arrow and the point of direction to 0. It is for the up arrow. And need steps, you change to 10 by 1. And then the next one, you can code it or you can simply duplicate the files or the code by right clicking the code and clicking the duplicate. And here you're just gonna go to change the up arrow to down, left and right arrow, and also correcting the point of direction. 180 for down arrow, 90 for right arrow, and -90 for left arrow. Next is we'll go again with the if, then the touching color, wherein you can magnify the color or pick the color black or the color that they wouldn't be touching. And also you can add any sounds like the dog bark or the cat meow or anything, and also the sound volume. And the next one, we're going also to go to the backdrop and also copy what we have on our file, because it will be the sign of the winner or the game over. And since we have the backdrop, we will return to the coding of the dog or the movements of the dog. So now we'll be putting the switch background from mazes or maze to game over. So it will be the if touching the black ones or the black colored, it will be game over. And if you put the wait blank seconds and duplicate the X and Y coordinate from the very start, and also the switch background to the maze. Also put the hide. When you touch the black colored or the obstacles, you can go back from the very start or reset the game. Let us see the test drive. And there you see that if it touched the black ones, it goes back from the reset. Then the next one is to duplicate the if from the game over to be edited on the winner side. But now the color should change to be in the orange or the color of the jacket of the person. Also changing the background to maze or mazes to the winner, and also the same as what the ending of the game over. Here I'm gonna create the button for the back or return to game. And lastly here, I'm gonna create the code for the back. Here I will put when sprite is clicked, switch the backdrop to maze or mazes. When the backdrop change to maze or mazes, hide the congratulations or the back sign. And when the background switch to winner, show the back sign. Now for the last test.